everybody, it's Bunny, and today we are in a dark and spooky forest to open up a very, I'm hoping, magical mystery makeup box. In my hands, I have the Supreme Oh My Wig. That didn't work out so well. Anyway, today we're gonna be taking a look at another Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box, this time in celebration of my personal favorite day of the entire year. Yes, we have the Halloween. I think that this one was called Supreme. It is the biggest one ever, stuffed with the most items ever. 7 pounds of mystery makeup. There are 13 products inside of here. So you guys, I have a little bit of a confession to make, and leave a like on this video if you would like for me to do this other video, if you guys think it's redundant. But last time I was only able to get the middle size mystery box, so I had a couple of little helpers online trying to order them at the same time as me. So I actually ordered 2 Supremes and 1 of the middle size, which I think was called Deluxe. So let me know if you guys would like to see those other videos. Those boxes actually won't be here, I think, until like next Monday. It's so crazy, right? Because my best friend, Kat, the Real Kat Sketch, she actually ordered this box for me from California, and hers shipped out so quick and it arrived here so quick. But the ones that I ordered here in Texas are taking like way longer to get here. I don't know why. Is that a boring story? Texas stories with Bunny. Yeehaw. I have no idea what to expect is inside this box, except for a clothing item. I think the middle box and the largest box have a clothing item inside of them because they asked for sizing. One thing said like shirt sizing, and then the other thing I think said like jumper, which maybe stands for hoodie. I don't, like when somebody says jumper to me, right? I'm thinking like Mike Myers jumper, kind of like what I'm wearing today. And then the only other thing that I'm very excited for is supposedly there are 2 exclusive lipstick shades that are gonna be somewhere in these boxes. I'm not sure if they only come in a certain size. I think it said each box is going to have a limited edition exclusive item that's only going to be available in these boxes, but I don't know what that means. It could be anything, right? Oh, all right, right on top we've got Faithful. I'm not even spoiling it for myself. I'm not even looking down. I'm just gonna reach in here. Ooh, it feels soft. What do we have? We've got, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, this is magical. This is what jumper means. There's a whole freaking, it is like a freaking jumpsuit. What? I love the fact that it's freaking orange. Ooh, it feels soft. So we all know that Jeffree loves luxury. This very much feels Gucci to me. That's what I associate like matching tracksuits with the most, is just like Gucci. Gucci has matching tracksuits. I dropped some silica gel in here. My God, don't eat it. Oh, you know what one item I would absolutely love to be in these boxes? I'm not even sure if that product is being made anymore, but Onyx Ice. Do you guys remember the black highlighter shade? Oh, that would be amazing to get again. I had mine years ago, and I think somewhere along the way, we lost it. We have the lovely matching orange tracksuit. I have to be honest, I don't know how much the tracksuits retail for, so I paid $160 for this box, and at the end, I will go on the website and try and find like comparable items, and we will add everything up, and we will see like, did we get more than $160 worth of items? Did we break even? Did we get less? I doubt if that's an option. So the next thing that I see that is so exciting, I'm well on my way to being a Visco girl, we can save the turtles, is a metal straw. And I have to admit, I know this is gonna be cringecore for some of you guys, but I've never had a metal straw in my life. I have had silicone straws, but never like a metal straw. Oh my God, like a spoolie brush inside of it. Ugh. Like for cleaning, that is fascinating. I love how so far so good on the freaking orange and black theme. Very, very, very Halloween. Let's get into some makeup. Oh, I love these. I'm actually wearing a Supreme Frost right now on like my inner corner. I am miles away from the camera, so you guys probably can't see, but my all-time favorite Supreme Frost is Diamond Wet. I'm not sure if I have Caramel Kiss. The Supreme Frosts are some of the very few Jeffree Star items that I don't have like every single shade that there's ever been made. So I'm not sure if I have had this one previously, but it's called Caramel. You guys have to let me know. Do you say caramel or caramel? I feel like this is one of those like tomato things. Ooh, I've really been into getting like gold shimmery products lately. So we're gonna try a hack that you guys told me about really quick, because I've been so frustrated that I've been buying all of these really amazing highlighters and body shimmers lately, but every single time I say like, oh, it's not showing up on camera. So you guys said supposedly if I shine an iPhone flashlight on it, maybe you guys will be able to see the shimmer a little bit more. Is that better than that? Yeah, I think so. At least you guys can see like how truly sparkly and reflective it is. That's my favorite thing about the Supreme Frosts is, I hate to say the word glittery because obviously there's not like chunky glitter in here, but it has so many super sparkly reflects. So gorgeous. I'm like almost scared of moving today because my freaking wig, you guys. Also, my real natural hair is tucked into the back of my bra. I'm sure everyone in the world wanted to know that today. I don't have a wig cap, so you just have to make doozy. Next, we have something wrapped in a paper. What could this be? I'm trying to think of a square-shaped Jeffree Star product. What is it? What is it? I haven't taken a peek yet. It is, oh my god, oh my god. Is this a whole palette? What the heck? You guys, I feel like this is like, I'm about to say something, okay? Like all the boxes have always been really good in my opinion. Like I've always felt like you really get a bang for your buck. Like I've never bought one of these boxes and been disappointed, but this is actually insane. Like a whole tracksuit and a whole palette. Ugh. I think that this just came out this summer, right? Oh my god, I forgot all about that Orange Crush shade. You guys, how much did this retail for? You guys, I cannot wait until we do our sleuthing at the end. I just like looked down and I saw this and this is unfreaking believable. Look at the next thing in the box. The whole thing is in the box. I think that, yeah, Love Me, Love Me Not. So this was actually the Velour Liquid Lipstick mini set that was released for Valentine's Day, and I am so glad to have this back in my life. I think that this has 8 mini velour liquid lipsticks. This has to be so much worth more than $160. That sentence didn't make any sense. Unless, of course, I was Yoda. Am I Yoda? Surprise. Anyway, I am super excited to have this back in my life because velour liquid lipsticks are not only meant for lips, but you can actually use them all over your face. So I love red eyeliner, and it's something that it's like very rare to find, especially like nice blood red eyeliners. And so that's what I love to do with these. I get a little label maker and I label them all like eye. And then I just use these and a little angle brush, and I go in there and have like super vibrant eyeliners in all of these shades. So we have, I think that this was like one of the original Jeffree Star velour liquid lipsticks in the shade Prom Night. This one, Red Rum, is like my absolute favorite to use as a red eyeliner. It's like a nice true blood red. And we have some lighter shades in here too, like Doll Parts and Calabasas. This is freaking amazing. Look at that. I don't remember how much any of this cost, but geez. Here is one of the Star records in here. So this is Prom Night and Prom Night Remix. But look at how cute this is. Oh my god. I feel like this is just such a cute, like, little display piece. Look at that. That's adorable, honestly. I've never had a record that is shaped anything other than like a circle. Today's the day. It's something new. I feel like I have to like hold it in front of my body because my backdrop is like so dark. It's like, can you see this? Can you see this? How about this? And it's orange and black. Like okay. Orange, black, red, red for blood, blood of thy enemies. Reaching down, we have, wait a freaking second. This seems amazing, like an amazing sounding scent that I can't recall ever having. So this is one of the, also like I associate this as an OG product because I feel like this was maybe the second or third product that he ever launched. These are the Velour lip scrubs, and this one is in a scent and a flavor because they are edible, cucumber mint. And that sounds like something I would really be into. All Halloween colors. Oh my God. This smells like my favorite flavor of Gatorade. I talk about it all the time. Lemon pepino. It's like the most divine flavor, and this smells just like it. We've got a lip pencil. So these are called the Velour lip liners, and this is in the shade Scorpio. And I think it's gonna be kind of similar to the lip liner that I have on today. There you guys can see it's like a nice, almost like berry mauve-y, purple, gray. Let's just keep saying color names till we get it right. Up next, we've got Yummy, which is the lip ammunition. So this should have a nice cream feeling to it. I forgot how pretty these lip ammunition bullets are. It's kind of a more sheer shade, but it's very shiny. I feel like these two products could be worn together, layered together. There are several purple shades in the Jawbreaker palette, and now we have two purple lip products. So you could really do like a whole full face almost with all the products in here. We've got, I think, another Velour liquid lip. Yes, in the shade Venus Flytrap. I'm not sure when this shade was released. Here it is in the tube. Ooh, it's been a long time since I've seen this shade. I love it. I know that sometimes people complain about the products they receive in a mystery box, like they're like weird colors, colors that maybe wouldn't be extremely wearable. I'm really glad that we are seeing colors like this in a Halloween mystery box, especially since we are getting it so much in advance for Halloween. Like maybe it would inspire a spooky, like different kind of makeup look, or maybe it would be a lip shade that would go with a costume really well. Up next, we have the very specially packaged secret product, only available in this box. I don't know, maybe this shade could have been in any of the three boxes. I don't know how it works. This one is called Zombie Kiss. And from the label on the top of the box, it looks like it's gonna be purple, like a bright purple metallic. Ooh, it is. Oh my gosh. That looks very, very beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this. You definitely can see some, oh my God, it looks like orange to me. I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to read this on camera, but it literally looks like a bright purple lipstick with orange sparkles inside of it, which is like, what? It's so perfect for Halloween. Okay, hopefully you guys can definitely tell that it is metallic, but I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to tell that it looks orange to me. But that is so awesome. Last product in the box, which I unfortunately did see a little bit of a spoiler that the largest boxes were gonna have a mirror in it. So he released 3 different Halloween colored mirrors, a white one, which is called Ghost. That sounds magical. And then I think an orange one and a black one. I kind of can't tell, is this one gonna be orange or is it gonna be black? It could really go either way, and either way, I'm gonna be excited. So drum roll, please. Ooh, yay, okay. Oh my gosh, super duper lucky. It is the orange and black one. I love that color scheme. I feel like I would like this one more than any other option that there could be. It's so Halloween looking. I already went in there and tallied up the value of this box, and I am like flabbergasted. So I literally got a value of $337. So I paid $160 and I got $337 worth of items in here. So let's just do a quick recap with the value of each. The first thing I have written on the list is the mirror. So this is worth $25. Then the next thing is the tracksuit. So the jacket's $55, the pants are $45. Next up, we got the 3 lip products, which are $18 a piece. Then we got the lip bundle, which personally to me is one of the most impressive things I've ever pulled out of a mystery box. So this is worth $52. Next, we got the mini breaker palette, which is worth $28. Then we got the delicious cucumber mint lip scrub. That is worth $12. The highlighter in Caramel Kiss, which I just put 2 and 2 together. This is also like Halloween related in my mind because everybody is eating caramel apples. So Caramel Kiss, this Supreme Frost is $32. Then we got the straw, and there are no single straws being sold on the website. You can only get a pack of 3. A pack of 3 is $19. So if you divide that, this straw is worth $6. Then we have the adorable star-shaped vinyl. This is worth $12. And then the last product in here is the lip liner. I feel like the hype and the madness over this box has been more extreme than any other mystery box ever. I don't think I've ever seen in my life the amount of people who have been trying to upsell these, resell these, scalp them, whatever you want to call it. Like Poshmark right now is inundated with people trying to sell these boxes for like $600, $800. Like I have seen so much madness. Oh my god. Have you guys seen the black studded Starbucks cup? It's so incredibly hard to get because like everybody went out this year, bought them, and is now like scalping them on Poshmark. So that's like a whole irritating thing on itself, but I would say you really do get a lot of value for this box if you were able to snag it and you're still waiting for it to come in the mail. That being said, I feel like I'm rambling and making this video way longer than it needs to be, but leave me a like on this video if you guys would like to see me unbox the other mystery boxes. I'm really curious to see if the middle box, like the deluxe one, is the value gonna be that high? You get 8 items in that box. Is it gonna be like double what I paid for it? Is the other Supreme box gonna be this amazing? Or was this just kind of like a luck of the draw kind of thing? Like this was not PR. I paid for this myself. My friend actually ordered this box for me. So I definitely think, and you guys let me know. I always enjoy reading the comments down below to see if you guys like see other boxes that are this good. Does it look like each Supreme box got the exact same items? Is there a lot of like different stuff? Like did some people get the Blue Blood palette? I don't know, but you guys will. So leave it as a comment down below and I'll read it, and I will be very fascinated as I do so. Anyway, me and my eyeballs are gonna go to sleep now because it's 5 in the morning, but vlogoween, you guys. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for being here, for hanging out with me today, and for being you. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you again tomorrow. Bye!